Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video, we are going to see the next problem on gamma function type 1. So what is gamma function? Gamma of n is nothing but integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus x raised to n minus 1 dx. So we have to make our given problem in this format. So this is our question. So if you see here we have two integration. This is our one integration and this is our two integration. So we can solve this integration individually. So this is our I1 and this is our I2. Let's consider I1. I1 is integration of 0 to infinity x e raised to minus x raised to h dx. So if you compare this to equation, we want e raised to minus x raised to 1. We do not want x raised to 8. So we want x raised to 1, so we put this x raised to 8, some another variable whose power is 1. So we put x raised to 8 equal to t, then x will be t raised to 1 by 8, then dx will be 1 by 8, t raised to 1 by 8 minus 1 will be minus 7 by 8 into dt. So this is our dx. Now we have substituted x raised to 8 equal to t, then our limit of integration will also change. So we have new limits. So here we write old variable which is x and the new variable is t. Old variable is from 0 to infinity. So when we put x equal to 0 in this, we get t also 0. When we put x equal to infinity, we get t also infinity. So after doing all this, we substitute all these things in this equation. We get I1 equal to integration 0 to infinity, which are the limits of t, into e raised to minus x raised to 8. We have replaced x raised to 8 by t into x. What is x? X is t raised to 1 by 8 into dx. What is dx? Dx is nothing but this term, which is 1 by 8 into t raised to minus 7 by 8 into dt. So this 1 by 8 is constant. We can take it out of the integration. So we get 1 by 8 integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus t. And we can combine this t term together. So it is nothing but t raised to 1 by 8 minus 7 by 8 is nothing but t raised to minus 6 by 8. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, it is nothing but t raised to minus 3 by 4. So this two term after combining becomes t raised to minus 3 by 4 into this dt. If you compare this equation with this equation, then we get that these two equations are very similar. Here we have x, here we have t, here also we have t, here we have x. So if we compare, we get n minus 1 equal to minus 3 by 4. So n will be minus 3 by 4 plus 1, which is 1 by 4. So our n is 1 by 4, then this whole term is nothing but gamma of 1 by 4. So our I1 is 1 by 8 gamma of 1 by 4. Just remember this. So this is our I1. So now consider I2. I2 is this term, integration 0 to infinity x square e raised to minus x raised to 4 dx. So this is our I2, and we have to make this equation in this form only to apply the property of gamma. So if you see, here we have e raised to minus x and here we have e raised to minus x raised to 4. We do not want this x raised to 4. We want only x. So we substitute x raised to 4 equal to some other variable which is t. Then our x will be t raised to 1 by 4. Then we take the derivative, we get 1 upon 4. T raised to 1 by 4 minus 1 is minus 3 by 4 into dt. So this is our dx.